Big day here at Babe Approved Rides World Headquarters, and I'm pretty excited about this. This is something that's been in the making for a long time, but we're finally adding the appropriate amount of concrete for all the rides. So I just got the text that they're gonna head over and start getting the land that we're gonna be doing the concrete on, you know, prepped and everything. Kind of last minute text. They're gonna come on Saturday because they had a little time. So I had to hurry up and get everything moved, right? Okay, so let me show you that.
All right, there's all my cars in my neighbor's yard. Thank you for being awesome and letting me park there while they're here. And guess what won't start?
You can't make this up. You know what I mean? Like, I know y'all think I'm a Ford hater, because I am. But like, literally everything started except
wah wah.
I don't know what to say. So your boy has been roughing it since we lived here. I'm thankful to have a garage though, because we did just have a little carport at our last place. So this is essentially what I call my storage showroom. And obviously we got the Apache in here, Barry's in here. I still haven't unloaded from Battle and Bama. I know. And obviously you see a bunch of boxes and stuff in here. That's because I'm currently building the motor for the Bronco, which is in the engine corner, or should I say nook. But yeah, that's almost ready, so I'm about to get a lot of room back in here. But come on, man, it didn't start. But this is the driveway. This is what we got here. It's a decent driveway. I mean, it's concrete. It's not big enough, okay? We have 6 cars at this house right now. Yeah, and so it gets tight. So we are going to be doing a little bit of paving. From where you see the orange marks right here, and then all this is gonna be concrete straight up right there. So I'm literally more than doubling the driveway. Very excited about this. Got a little taper. Just gonna go to these horrible brick things that I always forget the name of. And they're wobbly and I hate them. But it's gonna cut in right here, so hopefully I don't drop off. They're also gonna fix this horrible crack because this concrete's only 3 inches. Don't get me started on builders because I am a realtor. So that's a subject for another time. But we're gonna do 4-inch over here, and it should be nice and thick enough for me. The goal is to have the cars come in parked like this, right? So I'm hoping to get all 4 like that, and in theory, I'll be able to get any car out at any time without having to play musical cars. Because right now, if I wanted to get the Apache out, whack whack, yeah. I mean, seriously, I don't know what to tell you. To be fair though, it's definitely just the battery's dead, but it's more fun to just talk smack. I wanted to widen here, but our HOA won't let me widen the actual entrance of the driveway because it's 16 foot. I was wanting to go to like 24, and then I could, you know, swing a trailer in here if I needed to, but beggars can't be choosers. It is what it is. So we'll take what we can get right now. Miracles do happen. I did get the Bronco moved. Whew.
There's the outside fleet of Babe Approved Rides.
All it took was a trickle charger for 2 hours and a jump start. So yeah, we got it. So hopefully they get here soon and we'll go ahead and get started on clearing the ground. Here we go. Here we go. Here bright and early, and look, we got our first load of concrete. big time, man. We got a second truck in the wings ready.
Guys, super excited to have this new concrete pad. This is a huge game changer for us. I am excited to put this thing to use. We've been parking on it already a little bit, and it's just like complete game changer for the channel. So I'm super excited moving forward. Lots more coming. This is Babe Approved Rides. We'll see you next time.